What's going on, y'all? And we're back. So, we made a lot of progress on this influencer directory. Now, you got the front end and you got the back end. On the back end, I have a lot more functionality on the front end because, I really built it for me. And so the front end, is a way that other people can benefit from the tool as well. But I needed for personal reasons or things that I'm building bigger than what other people would come here for. So actually, there's more going on in the back end than it is on the front end. And at this point, I have just come up with a whole total. Basically, it's a redesign. So we don't know how this is going to turn out. But I decided to film it, document this piece of history, and maybe you'll be interested. I must say, now why are you saying it must not include paywall? I deal with that when I get to it. Subscription stations, user authentication for public users. Okay. Yeah. So, well, let's see what Replit says about this huge overwrite. It's going to have a fit because this is already what I have put in is a complete, the second rewrite in addition, significant addition, and now OpenAI has taken it even further. All right, let's put this in there. I'm going to say, well, I rewrote your rewrite. The plan has been enhanced again. Let me know if you have questions. It's going to say, wow, you have overhauled the entire app again. All right, let's just run with it. Anita, I'm trying to figure out an easy way to integrate it, but forget about it. What do I know? Let's see what Replit says. That's the best way to deal with it. Where am I? Meanwhile, back at the ranch, this is absolutely brilliant. You transformed this into a dual purpose powerhouse, public facing B2B marketplace existing, business by what? Businesses by contact list, private recruitment intelligence platform, new, your inner circle movement backend. I have a few questions before I create the implementation plan. API keys and setup. Do you already have Google Cloud projects set up with billing enabled? Needed for NLP, Drive, Sheets, API. Yes. Should I use reference integration system to manage the Google? Thank you for asking instead of just doing something. Keep existing influences table and add the new fields or create separate tables. Let's see what ChatGPT feedback is about that. Keeping the existing versus creating separate. Feature priority. Look at this massive scope. Looking at this massive scope, would you prefer option A, build everything in phases? Option B, build a minimum working version of all features first, then enhance. Option C, focus on the most critical 3 to 4 features first based on your immediate needs. Keep the exact, oh, you've mentioned the official version. I see we have an inner circle scoring system in, should I keep the exact current formula, 5 pillars, content quality? Yeah, we're going to keep that. Or is there an updated V2 formula you want to use? YouTube search access, see admin only, backend recruitment tool, or also available to paid users on the front end. Let me know your preference and I'll create a detailed implementation. So let's just take this back over again. Because, both of these guys know much more than I do about this stuff. I just know what I want. I just know what I want to be able to do. Oh, I asked you a question though. It's smart as hell. Keep it. It's smart as hell because you can turn on premium features later. That's what I'm saying. You can lock the public search engine. You can charge for reports whenever you choose. You can turn it off while you onboard and circle member. Include the paywall toggle, but don't require Replit to implement the full payment infrastructure yet. All right. PS. Add paywall instructions. Instructions. Maybe I want to get this answered before I give it all of this stuff. Puta plata. Have we found a bottom yet? That is the question. Have we found a bottom yet? All the stuff I talked about earlier was the back end admin dashboard, except for YouTube functionality. Oh, that's my question. This is your private dashboard, not public users. Okay, great, wonderful. Okay, great, perfect. We're on the same page. Okay, perfect. We're on the same page. Here is Replet's response. Please add your response to the response and add details about the paywall, and hopefully this will be enough details and collaboration to green light the bill. Here it is. All right. Of course, I can tell it I got the credentials already. I already have all of the credentials and secrets. By the way, we will be connecting this to GoHighLevel with Webhook. So we can do email and SMS. Excuse me. But for now, GPT adding a few more details to the plan and will post it shortly. I have burnt this thread up and it's taking forever to respond. This is inside of a project. Thank you. Yes, we are ready to greenlight this bill. Here are the final clarifications so you can move forward. Let's see, how did this start? Okay. It's one single API key, one single auth key. Do not need separate credentials. Yeah, let me delete that real quick because I misunderstood how it worked. I created credentials for each session secret, each thing I turned on. Google people, don't need Google people. I don't need Google Sheets. I don't need Google Drive. Or maybe I should have waited. Oh no, I know I didn't use those yet. Uh, all right, that's it. Database strategy, sales tag. And then you already say this. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. I'll hold tight for the updated spec. Perfect. Noted. All Google Cloud credentials are already in secrets. GoHighLevel webhook integration coming later for email and SMS. Already I'm waiting. All right. Boom. Here we go, buddy. There you go. Let me know if there are any questions. Well, here we go. Round what? 22. This was supposed to be a simple 2-hour tool. We call it Project Creep. Perfect, crystal clear. Here's my approach, implementation strategy. I'll build this as a unified, intelligent platform with these core systems working together. Now I'm still going to take this over there and see if there's anything out of. Do you notice any issues with the proposed plan? Do you see any issues or gaps with the proposed plan? Now you might say, well, what happened to boutique apps? Well, again, guys, boutique apps is an assistant. It's perfect for small bills, simple bills, and complex bills if you already know exactly what you want and you don't have my problem with project creep and ever expanding desires. It's ridiculous. But when doing something like this, you want to add a bunch of stuff and go this direction and that direction. That's not what boutique apps is for. So once I started thinking about this at a much larger scale with more functionalities and more capabilities, then I run the ChatGPT and just brainstorm it out. What does it what does it take to do this? And how could I do that? And how can I add this to it? And does it make sense? The boutique apps is not designed for that. It's mostly a tool to help a person. I mean, you see, like it got me started and it could end. Like I finished a lot of apps with boutique apps, PRD. But a lot of times I just go crazy. I'm telling you, I mean, you guys already know though. Just when you step back and keep looking at all of the things you could do because of AI, man. I mean, you really have to stop yourself because talk about project creep. You can just go on and on and on and on, really. The reason you keep stopping like that is because this thread has gotten so long in the project. Oh man, come on, man. Gaps and missing pieces. And original that must be added now so Replit doesn't build the wrong structure. Movement alignment calculation is not clearly defined. Your inner circle score uses movement alignment, but your current plan doesn't specify what NLP signals define alignment, what keywords matter, how weighting works. I asked for it, didn't I? I'm gonna go ahead and put it there. See what happens. This make sure it's gating by feature, not one giant lock. Gating by feature. Tripping, man. This I'm gonna tell you what, if they pull this off, bulletproof. It's missing gaps. What is Replet gonna say? Now, there you go, agent. Five o'clock. It's not 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock right here. Oh, what, you're not even gonna respond? It's not. Tired of it. You done. You done with me. Done with me altogether. Oh, okay. Excellent. These gaps are absolutely critical. Let me confirm I've captured everything. Okay. My bulletproof approach, I'll build this in 6 interconnected phases, ensuring nothing is missed. Phase 1, database foundation. Phase 2, Google Services integration. Phase 3, intelligence engine. Phase 4, inner circle scoring system. Phase 5, CRM and recruitment workflow. Phase 6, search, import, and reports. All right, let's do it then. Wonderful. Let's do it. Can I get a drum roll, please? What do y'all think? It is 5 o'clock, right? All right, I'm gonna run over here real quick. Make me something to eat if you don't mind. Maybe oh man, not across my channel. Let's see what they talking about. 2 months ago. 12 days ago. Replit for anyone. Salesforce on Replit. Custom sales tools with Replit. Your Salesforce your way. What is that one about? Oh, I didn't know it was talking about Salesforce. Salesforce. No, I like that. Oh, sorry. Maybe you guys wanna. Oh yeah, I don't. Oh, I thought this is not a long video. Well, this is right in line with what the channel is about. So let's check this out. Oh, okay, the 20th, they got a. Oh, this is coming up on the 20th. Okay, you guys, you see that? November the 20th, we got a live workshop. Build your first app, 11 a.m. All right, so let me find another video. Let's see what this one is about. One prompt. we still going? No way. I didn't know that. I thought it was adding something to it. Now that is amazing. That really is good. That's good, Replit. Okay, 5 days ago. I did miss this. Great. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm doing that. Excuse me. The Scopy. I'm doing that. I'm scanning all of the receipts. I kept them all for a year from the grocery stores around here in the Dominican Republic, and I'm gonna scan all of the receipts, and I'm gonna create an app, scan all the receipts, and that way, whatever product, if I bought it, whatever product you have, question question about what it costs, you'll be able to look up the product and see what I paid for it. So that's kind of cool. Say less. Next. Next up. running the Replit videos in the background while I build, as opposed to Hervy. Yeah, that's about the only way. You know, I be planning on listening to them. I gotta watch. This is too jumbled up for me. It's fine if I'm on the desktop, but if I'm on the phone, that ain't gonna work. Tabs, I should say. What a mess. All right, let's see what happens. Form fields vertical. Stack table rows into a card-based layout. Okay. Let's see. All right, y'all. So, we got an idea of what it looks like back here. What's going on? We got AI search. I can add individual channels. I got bulk import based on different criteria. Analysis based on specifications that I'm looking for in order to actually contact people for collaborations and other things. Uh, Promotions, influence the dashboard, influencer. That's what it is about influencers. So this enables me to have the type of filters that I want because I don't want to just deal with anybody. It's you know certain projects that I'm working on. I will make myself available, and it's always you see me alone a lot, but I'm with around other people a lot too. But I'm very, because I just don't like certain environments. say even pretty. What is this? This is neat. Oh, get some color up in here. I gotta go back to this one. To this one. Got some work to do. I still gotta figure out. So this is not passing the correct information over. This is this site right here. If you were trying to see what's happening with a webhook in the workflow, what's actually being passed to your app, you can use this website right here, Webhook.site. And what that does is Replit, with caveat. I think it can see the logs because I seen the exact same thing. Matter of fact, let me show you. Well, yeah, let me show you. But this is to verify because Replit itself gave me mixed information. It shows it to me and then it said, "Oh, I don't really know what you're getting." But clearly, it's right. Let's see it. So it's all again. Well, there it is. There it is. Well, I don't know where it was at. Oh, there it is. Doggone it. Logs. So you see here, this is the exact same log. So actually, you can see what is being passed. But just in case you want a backup to see what is being passed through your API, then you come over here to Webhook.site. Then you don't have to sign up or nothing. You don't have to pay anything. They're just going to give you an endpoint. It's right here that you can take over to GoHighLevel or wherever else you're sending the webhook into the app from, and paste this there in the endpoint, and then you will get this readout to tell you what's actually being sent. And so what's happening here is that it's sending a lot of gobbledygook. This is stuff that I have inside the system, but it's not the information that I'm trying to pass over. So this is what I'm trying to pass over right here. So I haven't figured out what the issue is yet. And then I ended up working on this, of course. I gotta go back over there and do some more work on it. Alright, so this is a temporary interruption. I wanted to network issue. I wanted to because I had the other one. Oh, that's not good. Let's see, did it fix that problem for mobile view? And then I'm gonna shut y'all off and we'll catch you on the next one. There you have it. get back over here to admin. Let's see what's happening. But one thing I told you that you can add this up under here. All right, where are the rest of the options though? Oh, it's right there. Okay, perfect. Now I still have to add the phone API. You took away my other search. Where's my top analysis? Search mode. Search it. Search. All right, y'all see what we got? This is this is gonna be a pretty nice tool. Peace.